Alright guys, quick unboxing of the Z Fold 6. I wasn't going to get it, but here we are. I got the blue colorway here. A little late to the scene with the Z Fold 6, but we're just going to check it out. Very quick video, guys, just looking at this. A ton of videos coming on this device. Some cases for this device, as well as the Z Flip 6, but the blue colorway here. Very expensive device right here from Samsung. Let's check it out, but if you're new to the channel, guys, hit that like, drop a sub. But let's check out the Z Fold 6. So again, this is the blue colorway. Just these pull tabs. Unboxings are not what they, well, they're not what they used to be. Unboxing used to be so much fun, but look at that. That is a nice color. I am glad I went with this. I was going to go with the black color, the online exclusive color from Samsung. Nothing else at all inside of the box. Pretty boring, but check this out. That's a nice looking device right there. This feels good. I wasn't going to get it. I say this every year. I said it last year with the Z Fold 5. The first close right there. Very nice color. That's a nice color. It's very dark. It's like a navy color on here. We'll take this off. Take this off as well. And I did turn it on, but look at that front device. Now, you guys know one of my gripes with the Z Fold lineup across the board from I had the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 has always been this front display. Now, because of the squared off design, a little thinner bezel, we do have a little more room on here, which might make it okay, might make it a little more usable. At least that's what I'm hearing, but I will be trying that out over the next week or two. But the Z Fold 6 in the navy color, probably the best color, I think. The new matte sides on here, much better than the glossy fingerprint magnets that we've had on the Z Fold 5 last year. I love that matte look on here. But I'll put my info in here. I'll use this over the next few days. Just a very quick unboxing on the Z Fold 6. Let me know what you think of this front display. It is a little bright. Sorry about that. It will blow out in the camera. But the Z Fold 6 is here. A bunch of videos in store, guys. I'll be back soon. Peace.